Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Keep It Simple Sunday, KISS for short. And this is hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY and co-hosted by Connie Nails and Creations. So if you haven't already been, please be sure to visit their channels. I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. As the title says, Keep It Simple Sunday, I'm going to do something very simple project that anybody can do using Dollar Tree items and something Christmassy. So for this project, I'm going to use two of the Dollar Tree candle holders. They're green and they're so beautiful with golden design on the bottom. And I'm also going to use two of these candle holders with two different heights. So I'm going to decorate the candles like this, and then I'm going to add some more embellishments to it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. result of the project. 2 of my green candle holders from Dollar Tree, and these are long candle holders. I inverted those and made it as a stand for those candle holders, and I stuck one of the golden ribbon. I made a bow out of it, and I stuck 4 of the foam balls just to give a glam to the candle holders, and I scattered some of the foam balls around it, and I have 2 candles inside. So yeah, this is the final result of my project, and this is very simple and easy, and I wanted to do a Christmas theme project, so I chose this project. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.